everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. Hope you all are doing fine. And how's the weather in your city? Hi Shraddha, hi Bhavna. Hi Aruna. Hi Meghna, how are you? Hi Shahida, hello. Good afternoon. Hi, I'm good. I'm good too. Well, I'm doing fine. So, आज के live में I'm going to show you some very cute stuff. I have like very cute choker and earring and the Navratna bracelets as well. So today I'm going to show you in a combination of mix with necklace, with mala, with earrings, which is also budget friendly, and Swarovski earrings as well. And the bracelet as well I have, which is in Navratna stone. So I'll show you each and everything by stepwise. Hi Maleshwari, hi. So let's start with the very first one, and the first one is the bracelet that I'm wearing, and this is very pretty cute because this has Navratna stone, and yeah, this is how it looks. This is a Navratna stone bracelet which has 9 stones, and each stone defines a very different meaning. So it's very pretty gemstones that we have in this bracelet, which has Navratna stones. All are pretty basic and cute colors, which comes when minimal colors, with also deep colors as well. We have in some pastels also, as you all can see, like the colors and all. So it matches the vibes over all your outfits. And this comes with a 14 karat gold bracelet, as you all can see. Price for this is 20,500. So kindly take a screenshot of this bracelet if you want to place an order for this. This is 20,500 bracelet, which is only one piece in stock left. And yeah, I'll show you the back of this chain as well, the hook system that you can lock and adjust according to your wrist size. And this is how pretty the colors look. You can just see the colors over here. So all the mixtures with everything. So you all can take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this one, and then you can definitely place your order. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this bracelet. And as this is ready to dispatch, if you order today, you will get delivery within 2 to 3 weeks. And it's a beautiful one. And अगर आपको customize करवानी है, in case you want to customize this with your preferred color, maybe with your pastel colors or any fixed color. For example, I like pink and purple, so I'll go with the pink and lavender. So you can go with that as well if you don't want Navratna stone. But the price will be same, which is 20,500 with 14 karat gold BIS hallmark. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this. And the next I'll show you, it's a very pretty pink pastel color, and this is our customer's order which we are going to dispatch today. And this is it. This is the window. Pastel pink and white necklace mala. It combines with the necklace and mala, so आपको ये necklace का form भी देता है, as well as it gives you the form of mala as well, which definitely gives you both preferable look. So you all can see the pendant. It has pearl keystone, which is semi-precious, and the pearl drop on this. This is also 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. So everything that we have is mostly a 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. Also, we also have some jewelries in 18 karat and some in 22 and 24 karat as well. But only if you want to customize or upgrade your jewelry game into 18 karat or 22 karat also, we will do that. So this is 14 karat gold, and price for this is only, tell me the price. Yeah, price for this is only 7,000. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this necklace. In case you want to shorten the length of the necklace, I'll show you how that will look. This is how it's going to look if you want it as a choker, but if you want something like a minimal wear, like a necklace only, so I'll show you that as well. Some people prefer short length, so this is how it will going to look. Oh, I'll just adjust this. Well, this color is a very pretty color. This is one of my favorite colors, which is in pink and white combination. So yeah, that's how it looks. So as you all can see, the details of this mala necklace, it's that cute, and the beads, the colors and everything is so defined and detailed. And at the back, I can show you the back of this as well. This is the back of the pendant, which comes along with the necklace. Price for this necklace is only 7,000. So if you want to customize also in some of your favorite colors or आपका पसंदीदा colors भी होगा, तो that will take 15 days or 20 days dispatch time. The price will be same for all, for any customization. So this is how it will going to look if you want to shorten the length of the necklace, but this is as per your choice. Also, I think somebody asked price of this bracelet. So price of this bracelet is 20,500 for those who have missed the Navratna bracelet. This is how it looks. 20,500 is the price of this Navratna bracelet, and the price for this necklace, which I showed you, is 7,000. This is 7,000. Now we'll come to the next one, which is a earring, and this is also in pink. So something which you always love about is the pastel colors, and pastel always goes with any outfit, be it light outfit, be it bright or anything kind of. So dark outfit के साथ भी ये match हो जाता है because of the colors and the detailing. And this is one. This one we have in pastel color, pastel pink, in half moon shape earring. So I'll show you the details of this earring and ये कैसा लगेगा after you wear it. So this comes with a Bombay screw. So I'll show you that as well. This is the earring, the half moon earring, as you all can see. The detail, like look at the details over here. This comes with the pastel pink, and over here in a deep pink, which obviously contrasts and matches. So I will show you how this will look, and this is how it will look on your earrings and the whole outfit. And this is a very cute one. If you're looking for something like a gift purpose, then this is go gift purpose choice, because everybody goes for this earring as well, and you've got a lot of deals regarding this earring to customize for their preferences and all. So आपको अगर ये चाहिए तो you can customize this definitely. As this is a half moon, and the back screw comes with a Bombay screw, as you all can see. This is a Bombay screw, which is a lightweight also and very convenient to wear. So most of the people are confused between Chennai screw and Bombay screw. So Chennai screw is a little thick one, and the Bombay screw is a little thinner one, which you can wear it for daily wear also. And this is how it will look, the cute drop. You all can take a screenshot if you want to show your favorite ones or your special ones. इसको आप दिखाना चाह रहे हो, you want to book for later, so you all can take a screenshot. And I'll tell you the price of this earring as well. Price of this earring is only 15,000. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this. In case you want to replace the drop with another color, it will take only 2 days. We'll just replace the drops and it will be done. So, alright. Next we have in black stone. And black stone is the one which most of the customers will love it. And this is in this shape and pattern. Very cute traditional outfit. It will match with very cute, आपका outfit के साथ भी बहुत अच्छा match करने वाला है, especially with lighter tone outfits. Basically, black itself is a deep color, it's a dark color, so it's a classy earring with a classy pattern with a classic color. So black never goes wrong, obviously, but the pattern, the design itself speaks louder. Because जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, इसका जो डिज़ाइन है ये आउट ऑफ फैशन बिल्कुल नहीं होगा, बिकॉज एवरीबडी वेयर्स दिस काइंड ऑफ डिज़ाइन which contains like a झुमका and a earring. This is gives you like a dangle and झुमका earring, and this is how it looks. It's a very pretty stone. In case you want to change the color of the stone, instead you want red or maybe green or maybe white also, we'll customize it. So this is ready in stock and ready to dispatch item, which is in black stone. But अगर आपको आपके store में चाहिए, if you want some other stone, which is your favorite one, so that will be done. This is in customized stone, as you all can see. A little cute झुमका which goes with every outfit, be it traditional or Indo-Western. And this is how the earring looks, and this is a very pretty cute झुमका, as you all can see, in the leaf pattern plus with the झुमका in the drop of green pearls. So this is how it's going to look, and you can wear this with, आप so कहीं भी पहन सकते हो, and everybody will ask about the earrings. So let's talk about the gold details for this. And yeah, price for this is only 24,500. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this earring, as this is ready in stock and ready to dispatch item. This is only 24,500, which is ready to dispatch, and this is how cute it looks. And yeah, this also comes with a Bombay screw. I'll show you the back of the screw as well. This is how it looks. This comes with the Bombay screw, which I said earlier that Bombay screw is mostly what people prefer, because it's easy to wear and convenient to carry. Alright. Why will you not mention grams of gold in ornaments? Ma'am, this is our terms and policy which we do not mention on live or public, because gold it changes and so the designs. So that's why. But if you want the details, I'll share the details of the earrings and everything, including making charges. Alright, next we have this very cute झुमका earring which is in tulip pattern, and this is one of my favorite earring. That is the design and everything. Plus ये budget friendly भी है. So if you're looking for something like a budget friendly and lightweight, this you can definitely go with. This one we have in tulip pattern, which is in green shade, and this is a dangle earring with a side. I'll show you, which contains the hook, so you can definitely lock. आपका lock system behind में दिया हुआ है, just behind the earring, and you can lock it as per your choice. This is how it will look. This is how it will look. The tulip drop, and I'll just show you if I can wear it. So there you go. And this is how cute it looks. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, this is for those जिसको लाइट वेट पे जाना है but also budget friendly and something with a new unique design. This you can definitely go with, as this comes with a very cute little pattern of tulip and with a flower. And shade आपको अगर अपने पसंदीदा का चाहिए, for example you want pink stone or purple lavender or maybe orange red green combination, so that will be done. But this we have ready in stock, this is ready to dispatch item. And if you want to place an order for this, you can definitely, but you have to take a screenshot and send this on our Instagram page or WhatsApp, which I have pinned down. Just a second. Yeah, so you all can take a screenshot of this earring. The earring, and this is a very cute one. So जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, I'll show you more close look. I think that will be perfect for you. This is a close look of the earring, and I said this is very cute. everybody will love it. Even if you want to give this to your kids or special, they will definitely love it because of the design and everything. This is only 6,500, which is ready to dispatch, and if you place order today, you will get delivery within 3 to 4 days. This is only 6,500, and we have more similar like this earring under 5k and under 7k as well. So if you want to place an order, kindly DM us. Alright, next I'll show you the choker, which is again very budget friendly, and this is one of our customers' favorite. So let's have a look. This we have in shade maroon or red. This is a choker which comes with a flower pendant, and this is a very cute. Even अगर आपके बच्चे भी है, your daughter, definitely she will love it if she wears this. Someone who love minimal look and chic look but also classy, these are the ones, and you can definitely go with this. Okay, this gives you a classy vibes, and also minimal and simple aesthetic, so definitely. And इसका डोरी भी है, तो it's very easy to wear. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this choker. Also, price for this is only 5,500, which is ready to dispatch. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order. And this comes with 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, and this we have a very similar type of choker also in stock. There are many chokers that we have, something under pocket friendly, and some beyond 15,000 also, 20,000 also, and 30,000 also, and something under 10,000 also. So this one is 5,500, 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. Now next we have something in stud, and that is Swarovski stones, because most of the customers want to go for the Swarovski stone earring, which is also in stud pattern, and the design says it all because of the classic pattern. And I will show you this. This is how it looks, and definitely I'll show you how the earring looks. So this comes with the Bombay screw, as I said, and this is how it will look. And ये जो stud है ना, this stud you can wear with any outfit you want to wear, any type of thing. मतलब आप कभी भी पहन सकते हो बेच सकते, you don't have to think about it, because this is something that everybody looks for it, because ये क्या है ना, ये every outfit के साथ match करेगा, be it traditional outfit, be it something like a western outfit, or your basic outfits as well. And this will definitely add charm to your dress and outfits. So I'll show you. This is how it looks, as you all can see, and the designs. Look at the design. This is an all-rounder one. इसमें आप देख सकते हो. It's very cute, and the stones are Swarovski with BIS hallmark. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this stud. We also have a lot of varieties in Swarovski stud just like this, and you can take a screenshot of this if you want to share the details of like weight, gold and everything. Also price for this is only 20,000 because of the gold weight and Swarovski stones. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this stud. 20,000 is the price of this stud. Now, last, not the least, but also this is the second last piece that I will show you, and this is a green choker with beautiful pendant, which this is also has 40 with 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. So let's have a defined look. How beautiful this looks! The gorgeous green with gorgeous 4K stone. And green is something like, it has the different vibe. And this is how it looks. And अगर आप इसको कोई भी outfit आप पहनेंगे, like be it dark, deep or anything, सबके साथ चल जाएगा. So definitely this is your go-to choker that you can wear with any outfits on any occasion. Also, let me tell you the price of this choker. Price of this choker is only 15,500. So take a screenshot of this choker if you want to place an order. Also, as you all can see, the details of this choker. इसमें होल की दिया हुआ है and the design and the beads over here. Like look at the design. It's too good. And obviously 15,500 is the price of the choker. So take a screenshot and place your order right away. And the last piece of this after all, this is again in pink color. Starting में भी मैंने आपको pink दिखाया था, and ending is also in pink shade because customer said she wanted to check on every pink shades in bead earring, bead necklace or chokers. So I tried my best to show you. So this is our last piece and this is a necklace. This is in very light shade of pink, which is in baby pink and in pastel. And this is the side tikra, that is the side pendant on each side, on left and right, which also has a drop of cream pearl. This is the whole piece, and each though definitely comes with a dori, so you can adjust accordingly how you want and how long you want or how short you want. So there are people who wants to go for the short ones. Definitely I will customize if you want to go with the short ones and just give you approx look कि ये कैसा लगेगा, just a glance. If you want to go with the shorter length, this is how it will look, and the longer it may vary how long you want. So take a screenshot of this necklace, and price for this is only 14,500. 14,500 is the price of this baby pink shade necklace mala. And this is a very cute design. It also comes with 14 karat gold with a BIS mala. 14 karat gold, 14,500 is the price of this necklace. So that's it for you guys. And जैसे कि I always tell you कि do suggest us or give us feedbacks on what to show on the live, which type of jewelry you want to see on the live, so that I can show you each and every varieties of the particular items. And for the next live, we're definitely coming again on the next week on the same day, which is Friday. And definitely I'm looking for the suggestions and feedbacks of yours so that I can show you that particular items if you want to see it on live. Rest apart, video calls are available for designs, or if you want to see that item on video call. So just do let us know what time you want to see or क्या देखना है, so that I can show you that items. And thank you so much for joining our live. And yeah, so अगर आपको कोई भी product पसंद आया हो, if you like any product from our items that I've shown on the live, do send us on our Instagram page, or the number that you find is right below on the pinned comment. This is our WhatsApp number. You can comment us, or you can share the pictures of that particular screenshot that you have taken, so that I can share each and every details. But yeah, rest apart जो अभी join कर रहे live, for those you can definitely watch it from beginning. I'll post this live on our feed, so you can watch it from the beginning to the end. And till then, have a nice day ahead. Bye.